These are 12 hamburger buns that I'm actually cutting with a pizza cutter, but you can actually even, like, you know, tear them with your hands if you want. This is some strawberry ice cream. So this is 1 pint, 2 pints, a 3rd pint, a 4th pint. That's not ice cream, that's actually 6 eggs. I'm gonna mix that in there, and then we're gonna be adding our last pint of strawberry ice cream. That goes in there too. Well, do you have a favorite ice cream flavor? Let me know in the comments. Strawberry is kind of one of those flavors that I like, but I don't have all the time. But in a recipe like this, it's amazing. And once that is all mixed together, pour this all over the top of those hamburger buns. And just kind of mush them all together. So once that's done, got 2 more things that we're just gonna add. This is strawberry flavored cream cheese. So this is gonna give it like that kind of stuffed cream cheese flavor without really having to stuff anything. And then just take your spatula and just kind of, you know, don't mix it in completely because you want kind of like globs of cream cheese. Okay, so once that is done, we're taking this is again a 1 pound. So this is so easy. It's like 1 pound of ice cream, 1 pound of bread, and 6 eggs, and 1 pound of fresh strawberries. Go right on top. These are still frozen, but that's totally okay. This is gonna go overnight. Just let it sit. And then in the morning, we'll bake it at 350 for about 50 to 60 minutes. It smells like, oh, it's such a berry, like I know it's just strawberries, but it smells like mixed berry in here. It's amazing. So let me go ahead and scoop some up. Look at that. I'm going to get a little bit of, look at this ice cream. I didn't even know that that existed. Scoop of strawberry shortcake roll. Super cute. Pop that right on top. Whipped cream. Just like that. Oh my God, is this not the cutest thing in the world with the, oh God, I can't believe I made this with like hamburger buns. So great. So let me do a little taste test. That's so good. It doesn't taste super sweet at all. It's very, very strawberry. Amazing. I hope you make this for, I don't know, weekend brunch or Valentine's Day breakfast, or just, you know, during strawberry season. So, so good.